The following video contains sensitive content, may be offensive to some viewers. Discretion is recommended.
Step out of the car. Do me a favor, step out of the car.
What's up?
Step out of the car. Hey, let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. I'm gonna tell you right now. 962 Central 10-3. He has a hammer in his hand coming towards me. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up. I'm not gonna tell you again. Don't come any closer. Don't come any closer. Don't come any closer. I'm gonna tell you right now. Get down! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground now! 962 Central, shots fired, shots fired. You got gloves?
Yeah.
962 Central, start me fire, 55, middle shot. You're good, you're good.
Are you sure you're good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm good.
Here, get my shot.
Here. What's that?
Officer, you
Next
get
thing
right
you
in
need
front
to
of
go
everybody
to
in here, man. Just for any YouTube.
It's okay, just give me a second. No, stay over there, please. If you guys have cameras, can you start getting that, please? Here.
960 Central, chest seal apply.
He just needs one?
Yeah, actually, it's 3.
Here, I got it, I got it.
Hey, go start talking to them. See if you can get video footage. Hey, start doing CPR. I got this.
Can you tell fire 55 for 33, please? And let's CPR send 70.
You know we need to switch.
Is this a bullet wound right here? Yeah. Pick up your hand real quick.
All right, ready?
Pick up your hand.
Go, go.
Go. 962 Central. We logged down. Male has 3 gunshot wounds to the chest. Chest seals applied. Just need fire 55.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you guys good here?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'll come over here.